Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly forex forecast. Guys, I really hope all of you are doing well and ready for today's video. I will start this time as well with gold, and then I'll cover the list that you can see the right side of the screen. I'll cover DXY, euro dollar, pound dollar, all the way down to US oil, Bitcoin, US30, all the pairs one by one, step by step. But like last week, I will start with gold this time. Some of you might be wondering, Alan, what are those circles? I'll explain this for you shortly, guys. I'm planning to give you more explanation this time. I'll give you something regarding market makers framework, something regarding the expanding flats and the liquidity. So make sure to keep watching till the end. All of you are new to We Trade Waves. This is our YouTube channel, guys. It's called We Trade Waves. All our official links are in the description under this video. You can check them out. Again, our website, it should be known now. It's WeTradeWaves.com, www.WeTradeWaves.com. This is our official website, all right? So this is our YouTube channel, like I said. If you haven't watched our last week's forecast, you should do so, guys. Why? Because here we are covered in details what we are explaining for or expecting for gold, step by step, wave by wave. If you don't watch it here on YouTube, you can go to our website and you can watch it here as well if you'd like to. Again, guys, it's a must. You have to watch this one. It's very important to know how we're forecasting this one, step by step, wave by wave. And again, that's the power of wave analysis and the power of knowledge. Starting with gold. For this one, this is the 4-hour chart. Most of you remember or should remember, if you were following us, that we said last week, guys, the structure is not done yet. Gold tapping 3K means more up, right? So last week we said more up for gold, corrective structure, another push up. The correction here was a contracting flat, as some of you might know. This is a contracting flat here in the 1 hour, like I said here, contracting flat, and then another push up. So this up wave, it was known, it was visible to us. We knew that market will push to the upside. So that's why we stopped a lot of you guys to not sell from 3K, because 3K was actually a psychological level. Market tapped 3K, pulled back, corrective structure, takes everybody out here, and then after that, market start to push to the upside. They have repeated actually the same structure, guys, the same framework here as well. So this is called expanding. I'll explain this for you shortly again. Like I said, make sure to keep watching until then, guys. I have a lot to cover today. And if you are liking the forecast, make sure to like, comment, and share. This way, actually, YouTube will know that this forecast is important and it will share it for more traders, to more traders. So after this expanding flat here, market start to push to the upside. And then after that, we have given the levels to our members internally. We've got this trap, corrective structure. This was covered in one of the daily sessions, step by step, in detail. And then after that, market started to fall. This is textbook sell pattern to weighted waivers, all right? So after that, we've got this trap, corrective structure drop, and then this pullback. Before I cover what's next, I'll go back now to go for the top-down analysis once more and explain the structure in detail and explain you what's next for gold. Again, I'm starting with gold, guys, this time, and I'll cover after that DXY, euro dollar, pound dollar, and all these ones all the way down to US oil, Bitcoin, US30. You don't have to miss Bitcoin, guys. I'll explain you something more as well regarding this one. So make sure to watch till the end. I'll go back now to the daily chart just to explain you something regarding the top-down analysis and regarding the structures, especially for those who are new to We Trade Waves. So if you are new to We Trade Waves, make sure to subscribe, guys. Hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip, or move, and keep watching till the end. If we need to start from here, this was the first move to the downside for gold after, of course, a long uptrend. We've got a corrective structure, a drop. This was a contracting flat in wave 4, and this was an ending diagonal. It's called contracting ending diagonal in wave 5. Now, some of you might be saying, Alan, like, why do we need that? Guys, if you do not master wave analysis, you will never ever be able to make consistent profits. Wave analysis is the best methodology in order for you to predict the next wave with high accuracy, okay? So what I'm covering here is not Elliott waves. It's We Trade Waves wave analysis concept. Of course, it's based on more than one methodology. One of them is Elliott waves, all right? So with full respect to Elliott waivers, it's not about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not about ABC. It's not about the patterns that you know them. We see the patterns and the structures differently. That's why it's very important for you to learn how to correctly from us before you start risking your money. Again, I'll cover some of the, I would say, theory for you today, so you'll be aware and hopefully you will learn something new. So after market finishes this downtrend, this is a downtrend by the way, market start to push to the upside. If I change the color to blue, we've got this up wave, we've got this trap, corrective structure drop, and then all the way up. So we have this high, higher low, higher high here, and as well we have here a regular flat, we have higher low, and then market is pushing to the upside with this fifth wave. So guys, the fifth wave of the degree starting from here, the bigger degree, started here at this point, okay? So now if I zoom in, remember, once you zoom in, you need to do, guys, the top-down analysis. There is no question. It's a must. So weighted waivers, they know that it's not about focusing on the candles, it's not about focusing on the next minute candle. It's about knowing where you're in the bigger picture in order for you to know where to go next, or what to do next, or where the market will be going next. Now, again, like I said, I'll give you a lot of tips, guys, a lot of advice. So some of you might be saying, Alan, like, really speaking, technical analysis don't work. Guys, technical analysis works. There is a lot of traders, they make money consistently just from doing wave analysis. Now, I'm not saying that's the best part. The best part is combining wave analysis with fundamental analysis. Once you do that, you will have the highest accuracy possible. Are we doing that? Of course, that's what we do, guys. That's why we have the Sunday sessions covered by T, to cover the geopolitics, to cover the news events, the Forex Factory, I would say news of the next week, and combine them with wave analysis. It's not any wave analysis, it's We Trade Waves wave analysis concept, all right? So back to the analysis, back to the chart. This is the wave 5 to the upside. It's extended. You can see that, all right? So we have this up wave, we have this corrective structure, and market is going all the way up to make new highs. All of you know why market is pushing to the upside. I don't want to repeat that, guys. Again, you can go back and watch some of the previous forecasts. So here we have this wave 1, wave 2, and market is pushing up in wave 3 at the moment, which is extended, all right? So now if I go to the 4 hours, again, if I'm zooming in, it's not about actually changing the bias or changing the structure. It's about to see the waves in details and know what market will be doing next, all right? So from here, market start to push to the upside in wave 3 of wave 5 of the bigger degree. So for you to master the markets, you have to master the fractal nature of the market. You have to master the degrees. Now, some of you might be confused, like, what is that? What are you talking about? This, guys, We Trade Waves wave analysis concept combined with more than one methodology to come up with this high accuracy. Alan, any proof for your high accuracy? Of course, you can go to our YouTube channel again, and you can watch all of these, or you can go to the website and watch this video here on the homepage. Okay? So back to this one again. Market was pushing to the upside. We've got this pullback to take liquidity under this low, and then this was the last wave to the upside. If I zoom in here again to show you something regarding this structure, from here we've got this up wave, we have this expanding flat. Remember this one, guys, it's called expanding flat. I'll draw the pattern for you, and I'll show you more than one example how this market makers framework works, and how they take people's out before they move the market in the desired direction. So remember this pattern: up, drop, and then up. This sort of pattern is called expanding flat. Of course, we have characteristics for that. We have actually, the way we see the flats is actually different. The way we analyze and the way we trade the next wave, the next impulse, that's what makes the difference. Like, Alan, what do you mean by that? Guys, once you want to trade the next impulse, you have to make a lot of money. And you cannot do that without the proper strategy, without the proper psychology, and without the proper mentorship. Example, look at this one before I cover this one again. If I go to the Discord just quickly to show you something regarding this one, look at that. If I go to the success stories, I want to show you this. Look at this as example. So Bilal, I want to show you this part. Look at this, all right? So he was buying dollar Swiss, adding to winning positions. That's one of the secrets, guys, we teach internally on how to do that to maximize profits. So Bilal was making what, 25K? Congrats, Bilal. It's just from 1st February till 20 of March, right? And look how many people were succeeding. We have success stories on weekly basis. Again, I'll come back to this one probably at the end of the video, just to not actually take more time explaining about the community, about weighted waves. I'll explain the details regarding this one at the end of the video. So those of you who want to know more details, you can keep watching till the end. I'll explain this one at the end of the video. So we've got this up wave here again. We've got this expanding flat and then up. If I show you this, it's exactly the same pattern, all right? So we have this, look at that. We have this point, this one, market broke the top, broke the low, and then again, all the way up. Same thing here. We have a high, low, market will break the high, will break the low again, the higher low, and then it'll push back up. This pattern is very, very important one to know and to trade later if you can see it clearly. So we've got this here, expanding flat, and then after that market started to push the upside. We've got this trap, expanding flat again. This was predicted to the pip. This was predicted, guys, in very high accuracy, and then after that we've got this up wave, corrective structure, up. And after market reached 3K, we said this is not done yet. Gold will push to the upside again. And this is exactly what market have done last week, which was here. Look at that, drop, and then all the way up. Again, we've got the same pattern, expanding flatly in lower time frame, in lower degree regarding the fractionation of the market, and then another push up. So after that, market started to fall, corrective structure drop, corrective structure drop. Alan, what's next? Next for this one, guys, gold might give us this upwave before the drop, or one more drop, another push up before the drop. Buying gold from the current levels, it might be dangerous. So what I can say, one more drop is very possible here, like that, and then one more push up, and then this drop. So one more push up is still expected for gold, guys, before the next drop. This top is about to be taken out probably this week after the completion of this corrective structure. Regarding the levels, regarding the entries, regarding the trades of the week, all of this will be covered in detail by T tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time for the Sunday live session for WTW Pro members. If you would like to get access, you can join this one here, and this is what we cover during the Sunday sessions. It's very important, guys, to check them, because in this one, we are giving actually a lot of charts. We are explaining majors, other pairs. We go to the indices as well, as you can see, the commodities. We go to the cryptocurrency here, and we go as well to the stocks and all your requests and all your questions that you might have. All right, so for gold, next is one more push up before the next drop. Which you have to trade is up to you. You want to trade this one, you can do that. You want to wait for market to break the top and then you sell, also you can do that. But you need to have a clear strategy. You need to have a system in order to make money, like I showed you as below. All right. So now, Alan, what are these actually circles? Guys, gold was making a pattern that we were following step by step, week by week, day by day as well inside the daily sessions. And this is the pattern. What they will be doing, they will be actually taking everybody out here before the market pushes the upside. It's the same structure as the expanding flat, but it have more than one variation. All right. So remember this pattern here and remember this pattern. I'll show you more than one example how this was moving and how we're actually following this one step by step, wave by wave. Look at this. I'll draw the pattern for you and I'll show you the example in front of you right now. Okay. So look at this. They will be taking market actually liquidity under these lows. So they will take these people out, all the people who will actually buying out, and then they'll push market to the upside again. This is the example here. Look at that. So we've got this up, drop, corrective structured up. This an expanding flat, by the way, and then all the way up. Can you see the similarity between this one and this one? Guys, mastering the wave analysis patterns, weighted wave analysis patterns is one of the most important key for you to succeed in trading. That's why I'm saying, learn how to trade correctly before you risk your money. That's exactly similar pattern here. And that's exactly here, similar pattern before the market pushed to the upside. So 1, 2, 3 patterns, exact similar to this one before they actually moving the market in the desired direction. That's why, guys, we know all of this. We wait market to give us the liquidity grab. Of course, not any liquidity grab. You have to wait for the structure. You have to know how to do that before you risk your money. So here, exact same thing happens. You have a top is taken, low is taken. Again, this was crazy forecast, guys, because from we said one more drop before the next up wave. If you remember this one, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. So this is a consolidation. Yes, it's a corrective structure, but you have to master this one in order to time the market and then trade this one, make money, maximize profits, trading the next impulse. Your job is to trade the next impulse and maximize profits. Once you understand that, you'll be able to make a lot of money. But you cannot do that, guys, without joining I would say like-minded people, without joining great mentors that they are able to teach you that, and without joining, guys, a like-minded successful traders inside the community that they can support you. Okay, so the same pattern again, same pattern here. Look at this one, the same thing, corrective structure up, liquidity grab all the way up. Now same thing here in the bigger degree. You have this drop here, corrective structure drop, liquidity grab, and then all the way up. Of course, guys, we have a lot of I would say rules for that. We have a lot of characteristics for these ones. As example, market took liquidity here, here, and here before the next up wave. This something, guys, it was sniper entry. It was really nice one and really clear one before market pushed the upside. Same thing here. Look at this pattern. So you have this up wave, drop, corrective structure, liquidity grab all the way up. Same thing here. Up, corrective structure up, liquidity grab up. Same thing here again, up, corrective structure up, liquidity grab up. And again, if I keep repeating this one, you will be like, all right, that's actually something great. This is the exact same pattern that I showed you here. Now, if I draw it here, it will be so easy. But for you to spot it on the charts live, that's what you need to learn. That's why, guys, learning wave analysis is very, very important. And trust me, it's not about L-Craze patterns only. It's about how to see the patterns, not about the internals. That's not about 335 and 355. It's not about that. It's about knowing how the waves usually moves and understanding the mass psychology of all market participants. If I go to the daily to show you again more examples regarding this one, just to show you the fractal nature of the market, it's exactly the same thing here. Drop, corrective structure drop, take everybody out, and then all the way up. This is called expanding. And this same pattern, if I go to other charts, I can show you that. Look at this Aussie dollar as example, because we know that we are memorizing all, I'll say the patterns. If we go to the weekly as well, look at this. Look at this pattern. This is Aussie dollar weekly chart. Some of you will be saying, Alan, why do we need that? Guys, market is actually fractal in nature, which means anything applicable for high time frames, it's applicable for the lower time frames. But without doing the top analysis, you will be lost. All right? And you keep gambling the next wave, just hoping that you'll be able to make money quickly. That's not something that you have to aim for. You have to make money consistently every single week, every single month. That's something you can achieve. If you don't think that you can do it like our members, then something is wrong. Look how many success stories we have, guys. If I keep scrolling up, it will never end. All right. And again, if you haven't watched it yet, go to the website and watch this one to show you more of the success stories and even the last forecast, which was here. Again, that's something, guys, regarding gold. Gold, we can see it going up once more unless something happened in terms of the geopolitics, and this will fall sharp. If market will drop sharp here and give us a corrective structure, another drop will be coming. Then this will not be coming for one more top before giving us a bigger corrective structure. So again, for now, one more push up is very possible before the next drop. Guys, if that's clear, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. I'll jump now to the XY and cover all the rest of the pairs. Again, I'll give you more tips, so keep watching and let's jump to the XY now. The XY for this one, market again, as expected, went to the upside. We said market will be going to the upside. This is the bigger picture, guys. This is the daily chart. Most of you know it. Now we're in a downtrend. This is the drop. And market will give us actually one more fall before the next structure. So DXY, dollar, we are still biased to the downside, mid to long term. Short term, market can give us one push up, of course. And then after that, another drop will be coming. Now, some of you will be saying, Alan, what levels we need to focus on? Those levels, guys, are for weighted waivers, because this is what we are giving every Sunday. We are covering, actually, like I said, all the charts, and I'll show you the trades of the week that were covered last Sunday as well. All right. So this is our website, WTW.com. If you join the WTW Pro membership, which is this one where you get everything, you will get access to the dashboard straight away. This is the dashboard that you will get access to. Of course, all the live sessions, the masterclass, as well from day one, access to the Discord community. Anyway, all of this, guys, is covered here. If I go to the trades of the week that were shared by T last Sunday, look at this one. EURUSD, most of you know where EURUSD is. We've got this drop. As well, we have given UK 100, FTSE to the upside, and plus the HSI. All these three, guys, remember these ones, all right? So this actually HSI. If I go to this one, FTSE, and if I go to this one, EURUSD. Look at this. I'll show you this one before I continue the XY. If I go to this is EURUSD, all right? So market went to the downside. It's falling. If I go to the indices, look at this one. This actually UKX, which is FTSE. Market went to the upside. So three trades, all right? So this is one here. I show you EURUSD. This is HSI and this FTSE. FTSE to the upside, exactly to this zone. And look at that, exactly to this zone, and the market start to react. That's the power of wave analysis, all right? So if I go to HSI as well, look at this one. Market from here, and that's the before. Look at that. From here, all the way from here to here, and then from here you get the reaction. So one, and then two waves, all right? So these are, guys, the trades of the week that were shared last Sunday by T. That's why you should not miss, guys, these sessions. They are very important. Again, I explained about the Discord community, about the sessions at the end of the video, so keep watching. For DXY, market went to the upside. Like I said, the bigger picture is toward the downside. So one push up and then a drop will be coming. Even if market give us a corrective structure, one push up, another fall will be coming. Dollar is toward the downside. We are still actually biased to the downside, and any sell setup we get, we'll go for it. It's based on the structure, how the structure will behave, and how the market will behave. After the complete corrective structure, market will be falling next for the dollar. Euro dollar for this one, market actually is falling to the downside. Again, we might get one push up before the next structure. Euro dollar is toward the upside unless market gives us a corrective structure. In all the cases, up is the next wave and buy is the next setup. Pound dollar for this one is exactly the same. I really hope most of you guys remember 1.3 level mentioned as well during the sessions, during the Sunday sessions mainly. Look at this. This is 1.3 and look at this. Exactly from here, market give us the reaction. Why? This a round number is like, it's a psychology level. And of course, it's based on the wave answers that we usually do. So for this one, market can fall again once more before the next up wave. Until market gives us a corrective structure, this is a buy. Okay, so pound dollar is a buy if you are, this was a textbook pattern by the way guys to the upside. A lot of our members made money trading this up wave and from here as well to the upside, trend continuation. This actually the liquidity grab pattern to the upside. And here again, if we get one more drop, up is the wave. The structure is toward the upside and the bias is toward the upside. Gold we have covered. Aussie dollar for this one, market is giving us some sort of expanding flat again here. So one more drop and then up is the next wave. I'll be focusing on the buy setups. If we get a buy setup, we'll go for it. If this will be one of our trades of the week or not, we'll cover this one during the Sunday session tomorrow at 12 a.m. UK time. Do not miss it. To join, you can go to the website here. New Zealand dollar for this one, market as well, it can drop, all right? So I would say Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar are not the same now. We can get one more fall here and then after that, we'll update you. New Zealand dollar, it's a sell for now. Any structure, we will actually update you later on. But for now, it's a sell. Dollar yen market start to push to the upside. This is some sort of running flat here in the middle and one push up will be coming most probably. After this up wave, we'll update you. For now, short term, market pushing to the upside. This is what we can see next for dollar yen. Dollar Swiss for this one, again, market behaved as expected. We get this break, just one pip under this low and market start to push to the upside. What's next? Corrective structure up. This might be a complex structure, but up is the move first before any next structure. Bigger picture is toward the downside. All right, that's regarding dollar Swiss. Dollar CAD market again is messy at the moment. We can get drop, up, drop. Market will spend time here before the next structure. I'll leave this one. I'll focus on the other page for now. It will be better. US oil for this one, market as well went to the downside. As you can see, you broke this low and we start to get the reaction. This is some sort of running flat as well in this structure and expanding flat. For this one push up before any next structure. If market complete this wave here, another drop will be coming. From here, we're expecting market to drop. By the way, we've got this fall. We made money trading this drop here and then market took us out for the rest of the trade here. And then we can get one push up before the next fall. So US oil, one push up first before the next structure. Okay. Bitcoin for this one, this was a textbook pattern. We trade waivers. All of you should remember this one and know how to trade this, by the way. It's really actually a great pattern. You know what I'm talking about, we trade waivers. So for this one, it was very good trade. This trade was given by T as well on Wednesday for the members. If you have watched the midweek update, you should have made money trading this up wave. What's next for this one? Market is correcting. So one more drop is very possible. We can get this up wave, one more drop before the next up wave. In all the cases, market is just correcting here, spending time before the next bull run, before the next up move. Technically speaking, this is toward the downside before any next structure. Taking this low is very possible before the next up wave. If we're unlucky, this will push the upside sharp, corrective structure, up again. But again, from a wave analysis point of view, this will be pushing to the downside after this corrective structure and then up again. All right. US30 for this one, market is pushing to the upside. This is a complete structure, guys, and the bigger picture and market can push to the upside. All right. After this up wave, we'll update you short term. This will push to the upside. And if this will be a corrective structure, another drop will be coming. For now, this should push to the upside. This up wave, guys, it can become impulsive and can take us all the way up to break this top and this top once more. All right. That's regarding, guys, US30. Those of you are asking regarding the structures, regarding the our website. This our website, guys. If you go to Trustpilot, Here in this one, you can see actually how many reviews we have. We have 642 reviews, and you are rated excellent on Trustpilot based on all these 4.8 stars. Okay, so you can read some of the comments, guys. You can read this one. This is VJ. Thank you very much, VJ. You can read this one as well. This is Riyadh, and you can read Bilal. You can read Handy. You can read all of them, guys, if you'd like to. And those of you are asking regarding the program, this is the program, guys. You should not actually miss this one if you are serious about becoming independent, successful trader. Remember, guys, trading is not easy. It will become easy only after you learn how to trade correctly. And regarding the Discord community, we have, guys, as well, all these sessions covered on daily basis from Sunday till next Sunday. Every day we have sessions, all right? So Monday you have 2 sessions, one with Chun and one with Ram. Tuesday you have 2 sessions, one with Vanish and one with Kishore as well. Wednesday you have the pre-recorded update by T. He will actually give you the update on what he covered on the Sunday session. Wednesday, you have a session with Rab at 6 p.m. Thursday, we have 2 sessions, one with Kishore, one with Vanish. Friday, we have 1 session with Chun. And of course, on Saturday, you have the YouTube video and you have the Rudra session as well on inside the community live. And Joshin as well is giving sessions during the week inside the trading room. So you are covered, guys, on a daily basis regarding all these charts and regarding all these, I would say, setups and trades. So this all you need, by the way, to become independent, successful trader. You need actually a proven strategy. You need a like-minded, successful community. You need a masterclass course, and you need actually great mentors. All of this is in one, I would say, solution, and all-in-one solution for serious traders like you. It's called WTW Pro. Again, the link is in the description under this video. Thanks a lot for all of you are watching till the end. Thanks for those who are liking, commenting, and sharing on a weekly basis. I see all of you next Saturday, guys. You trade with care, and thank you very much.